Hey yo, it's Tuesday. It's not even Monday. I just realized I was eating. I'm just done. I'm just finished with trading. I've just finished my fast. Also, I don't know if I already maybe I talked about it, but I always eat my last meal at 8 7 8 p.m. and then I eat back at 1 between 1 and 2. It's not really sharp on that, but I try to do like more than 12 hour fast. So I'm like, man, I didn't even record today and yesterday, so I just thought I could show you my how I break my fast. So it's pretty simple. Fruits, and I got some eggs over here in my sans abri in my homeless plate, and then I got a kiwi. Yeah, some light stuff, no carbs, because I've been cutting weight. Yeah, because I was a fuck kid. I was too fat, man. I was too fat. I mean, yeah. So today I took a win, 2 hour, a full 2 hour. I made this in fucking 2 minutes. And while I take this bite, I'm gonna show you the clip on the screen.
Order filled.
Fuck. So yeah, pretty simple. So yeah, I took this live on Twitch. So I guess if you want some free call, just go on Twitch, follow me, and then you're gonna have free trades. I really don't recommend doing that, but I mean, I'm sure the thought you had the thought you thought about it, and that's not the good way. So actually, instead of going on Twitch, join the Discord because I'm posting free value here, and now we're getting more and more members because of these video. It's working, so more people are joining, and now, like for the past few days, people have been exchanging ideas, insight, trading knowledge. Yeah, this morning I was talking with two guys that doesn't have journal, and if you know me, the journal is like the most important thing to me. So I put them on. I just send them my journal. I send them a free template of my journal. So yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna finish eating because I ate eggs when they're cold. So yeah. Okay. So I just got done eating. It was pretty quick. Man, the kiwi, man, I'm I'm not even telling you, I'm not even joking. I'm gonna eat these two fucking orange stuff, and then I'm gonna go get another clementine, another kiwi, because that was the best kiwi I've ever eaten. So now I'm gonna record um, a trade breakdown for the last week, for this week, for the trade that I just took, so you can have access to it. And if you join the Discord, but I mean, you're gonna have access to it first because I'm gonna put the footage in the video, in this video. But if you're on the Discord, I mean, you get. I'm gonna post the footage right there, like right away, so you get trade in advance. And if you follow me on IG, you get all the execution, all the profit and loss, all that stuff. Like the goal is to create a huge community. Like, and the fucking best thing, it's free, man. It's not $200 per month. It's free. You join the Discord, it's free. I reply to all your answer. Okay. And for now, there's not that many people, but we'll get there. So all the pioneers of the channel, if you see this, man, you're the first one. You're goaded. You're investing. It's like if you bought Metastock at $2, now you're buying the Will Street at $2. So yeah, if you have any question about trading, I answer by vocal message, whatever you want. I send stuff. Uh, I I even sent to the guys the template of my journal with a 15-minute video on my YouTube channel that is like private. You can see it only if you have the link. You can only see it if you have the link. I sent him a 70. I took 70 minutes to send him a video of how the journal works. So if you want this also, join the Discord. It supports me. It grows the community, and you're gonna get free value because I have time right now because there's not that many people in the Discord. So you have a question, boom, I'm on the computer, I'm trading, I'm gonna reply to you. So that's perfect. So yeah. All right, it's Wednesday, and it's 10:12 a.m. now. This week, I'm a bit little bit. I'm like behind the schedule because right now I need to post. Like today, I really need to post. I mean, last week's video because right now I'm recording this week, so I need to post last week. And yeah, with the streaming this week, trading, and the Discord growing, didn't manage well my time, so I need to revisit that to be sharp on the videos. I already wanna know what I'm gonna do, but yeah, I just need to take the time because I'm just all over the place, you know. So yeah, I need to manage my stuff well. But right now, I was thinking that maybe like, we could go for a Red Bull run because like I need to go cash some checks for the company, and it seems like the fucking mobile application for the bank doesn't want to register them because they're too big, or not big in money, but like the size of the paper is too big. I mean, it's fucking shit. So I'm gonna head to the bank, and at the same time I'm gonna go to the grocery store. I'm gonna get fucking two. I don't know, man. I'm gonna try something, man. I'm gonna try something again. I'm gonna try the white monster, but I already know it's gonna taste like shit. I've been falling into the marketing propaganda or whatever. Like I said, I always see fucking white monster video and they look so good. So last time I drank one, it was in Costa Rica. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna try again. So I'm gonna go buy one, only one. I know I'm not gonna like it, so I'm gonna go buy one, and I'm gonna get 2 pack of Red Bulls or something because these I know I like them. And when I get them, I'm gonna explain to you why they're so big on social media. White Monster. Now, look at this. Oof, that's a good cold start. Now, what's so fucking fun about winter? Now I need to fucking wait 15 minutes before the car is hot because I'm gonna kill him. So yeah, brother, I'm freezing. Look at me. Ooh, man, it's so fucking cold. Look at this. I need to put like the. I don't even know how this is called. Yeah, so fucking freezing. So right now, let's go. I gotta speed run some editing. I'm gonna put a timer here. Timer. Boom. 15 minutes for the car to run.
Hello? Switches.
All right. Look at this, brother. Now I'm fucking replenished. I got a 16 pack of the classic sugar free, the best one. plus 4-pack of these because I think in the US it's pretty popular right now, so I'm gonna try these. And also I got the shitty White Monster that I'm gonna give it a try again, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the same. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the same conclusion, so yeah, I mean, we'll see. Alright, we're back. So now I'm gonna try the fucking Red Bull, the White Monster. I swear, man. It looks cool. I'm gonna give it to y'all. It looks cool, but I already know what it's gonna be like. I was thinking about this last night because I was craving a Red Bull so much. And I figured why. First off, the can looks better than the Red Bull. Alright, I'm gonna give it to y'all that loves Monster. But the real reason is because you're poor. It's because you're poor. This costs $3 Canadian dollar, $3 for 473 milliliters. But the Red Bull, it's $5.50, $5.50 for the same size. So I think that's the real reason. It's not because it's better, because the taste of the Red Bull, like the original one, it's just better, man. Like, tell me why you like it, okay? All right, so let's try this. I'm gonna wash this. Let's see. Yeah, I hope I changed my mind. I'm open. I'm fucking open. Okay. So we got 10 calories. 165 milligram of caffeine. All right, let's go. Let's try. Why does it taste like orange juice? Like, it's better than the last time. I'm gonna give it to y'all. It's better than when I first tried it in Costa Rica, because when I was younger, I used to buy the black one, the original one. It's not the same taste as this one, because that's why I like the Red Bull, because it's the good, it's the it's the actual taste of an energy drink. Now it's like I bought a orange juice mixed with watermelon energy drink, so that's why I don't like it. It's not that bad. But yeah, it feels orange in my mouth. Like the taste is orange. Yeah. No, Red Bull is just way better. For real, for real. Like, yeah. I can drink one sometime, but for real, if you wake up and you're like, boom, I can't wait to take a white monster, man, you're tweaking, man. We need some Red Bull edits. We need a bunch of stuff like the guys with their metal glasses. Boom, take the white monster in the fridge at the convenience store. Now, no, no, no. Now we need some Red Bull edit. Boom, clean, boom. Open the fridge. Red Bull, bang. Close the fridge. In the car, in the Mustang, in the whoa. You know, we need Red Bull edits. For real, go try the Red Bull. No, no, no. It's a trend. It's a trend. All right. Brother, where's the fucking mic? Brother, hello? I swear, man, this is so bad that the footage is gone now. I'm all in the files trying to fucking sort everything out, and I just remember that there was good clips, bro. I fucking went to the Black Friday. I film into I record into the store and all that stuff at Best Buy, and now it's just vanished. So I'm gonna still update, because I mean, it like it follows the storyline. But yeah, so as you remember, I bought these Meta glasses like on the week 2, I guess, week 2, week 3. So these like they're shade all black, and they're very like sunglasses, so it's all right. But now on the Black Friday, I copped a new pair. I copped a new pair. Now these one, I love them. I actually, man, they're the best one. Look at this. Boom. I mean, I already showed you in the video, but I didn't mention that they were new. I mean, you probably fucking noticed, but these are like they adapt to the sunlight. So if there's a lot of sun, so yeah, I mean we can't really see it right now. So if there's a lot of sun, they're gonna be more dark, and it's dark, and they don't become black, they become green. So it's getting greener, and it protects me from the sun, and just it's just better because when I record with them at night or in the store, nobody has fucking sunglasses at night in a store. So I look less suspicious because either the people are like, oh, this guy is on fucking drugs, he's on cocaine for sure, and he doesn't want us to see, or they say this guy is recording me because these glasses are just so big. But right now, I just look like a scientist that discovered like an antidote to kill everyone. But it's fine. Like people that doesn't know me, they don't know that I don't usually have glasses. Now we can see my eyes, and I can still record, and I don't look suspicious like if I'm on crack. So I really love them, and I can wear them fucking all day long because I can ask Meta just like ChatGPT. I Meta this, bam, fuck you, what's the weather, all that stuff. Because right now there's no sunshade, but with the other one, man, if you wear sunglasses inside when there's no sun, you're just like this. You can barely see anything, so it was pretty bad. So now I can wear them whenever I want. So good shit. Plus, it's like some insider trading because I also bought a pair for the girlfriend. So now I got fucking 3 pairs, and I'm in deep. I'm balls deep in the meta position. So the earnings are gonna be good because I'm not the only one that bought this for Black Friday. Plus, there's the Gen 3 that are out in the States. Plus, there's a Gen 3 coming out in fucking Canada in March, April. I'm gonna buy another pair. I'm gonna have fucking 4 pair. So it's like insider trading because, man, like I said, I'm balls deep into the meta play, and I'm boosting the fucking earnings. So get yourself some meta and get involved in the position. All right. So yeah. All right. All right. Woo. So it's Friday, and the week has been great. Okay, now look at my face, man. I just woke up like 30 minutes ago. I just hopped off the shower, man. I was wrecked. I barely have any sleep, but look at the time. It's 1 p.m. It's fucking 1 p.m. And let me show you. Look at my sleep score. 51. I slept for 6 hours. Usually 6 hours, like 70s of sleep score, but I was awake all fucking. But like I was getting, like I was sleeping 30 minutes, boom, waking up. I couldn't sleep. So yeah, so I'm gonna start the day with a little Red Bull, classic. But yeah, so yesterday night, as you saw in the little footage of me like working on the computer, I wanted to talk about it and record the trade recap, but I didn't do it as I was just too focused on this. And so yeah, what I was doing, that's what I wanted to explain yesterday, but I'm gonna do it right now. Let me take a little sip before. Oh, ha, brother! Oh man, I'm speechless. I'm speechless. When I drink this, I'm just like, what the fuck is happening? You know, like the what is happening in my mouth is crazy. Bro, look at me. I'm all blah, blah, blah. I'm all all right. So yeah. So now, look who joined us. The catter, he loves me. Look look at this, brother. Chill out. So we got the catter up, factory new. Got his asshole. Oh, you not chilling? Tell the camera. All right. All right. So yeah. So what I was building was I was building a database to I all my shorts, all my reels. I put them manually, each single stats in that Google sheet to build a database, and then I I'm at this I'm right now at this point. I exported the CSV file of the Google Sheets, and now I made a Python script to analyze all the data. And now, as my computer is powerful enough to like run AI, I'm gonna build a model and like not really build a model, use a model, and I mean I don't really know as of right now which what's the best. I'm gonna ask like Claude or ChatGPT for some advice. But yeah, either build a small model like only based on let's say social media stuff, or I'm gonna give him a lot of stuff to learn, and then he's gonna learn everything that he has to know, and then I'm gonna make the script. The goal of the script is going to is going to analyze all my shorts, and he's gonna tell me what needs to be better, because I had this idea because few weeks ago I was posting my trade, my trade, like a speed up trade of me, like you probably saw it if you follow me on IG. It's me when I take a trade, and it's like fast forward because it takes like it's like a 10-minute video, so it's too long. So yeah, just me taking a trade, a win or loss, a break even, whatever. And at first they were doing like 10,000 views, 7,000. I have one like 19K, but now the most recent one they got like 500 views. So there's something that's different. So yeah, so so he's gonna be able to tell me everything that I need to know about all my stats, all that stuff. Let's get the trade recap started. But before, I want to put a little disclaimer. I'm gonna do it differently because usually I go on my chart and I move around, but I feel like there's too much going on in my head, and I lose the flow. And now it's just, I mean, you're not gonna understand. Okay, so now I took the screenshot out of my trading journal, and I'm gonna put them here so that the screen won't move, and I'm gonna explain it right on the screenshot. But now the disclaimer: I'm not a French teacher. I am not an English professor. The journal there's like a caption, as you can see here. It's written in French and sometime in English, and there's a bunch of fucking mistake. And I don't care about the mistake. I'm a fucking trader and I make money. I'm not a fucking philosophy blood teacher. Okay, I don't give a fuck. If I see anyone in the comments, I know it's gonna be rage bait. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so first off, the trade. What I was looking at. That's the trade that I made on the 2nd of December. I was targeting, like I said here. I mean, yeah, I no, that's on me. This fault is on me. I mean, this mistake is just dumbass. It just keyboard mistake. Okay, never mind. All right. So I was targeting this high and this high, this high, this high, and this daily fair value gap. So that was my goal. I want to see the market goes up because we're already going up. So that's it. Now at this moment, I'm just okay. I want to take longs. Now, other screenshot. Now it's in French. Now you can't understand. But for those who understand, don't mind it. Don't mind it. Now, what happened at 9? When we open, we skyrocket. We skyrocket. We skyrocket. We take this high and this one. So I'm like, okay, fuck off. I'm not gonna trade. But now the 4 hour, the 1 hour, no, the 4 hour. This is on the 4 hour, 4 hour close, and I see this little fair value gap being created. So I'm like, okay, maybe on the afternoon I'm gonna have a trade. But what happened? 11 a.m. comes around and the market just dumped right into that 4 hour fair value gap right here. Bang. So now we go into the 4 hour fair value gap. Plus there's a 1 hour because right now this is the 1 hour. Plus there's a 1 hour fair value gap here and we respect it. Look, we don't close below the 1 hour fair value gap and we go into the 4 hour and we can see the wick is just a rejection candle. Plus, there's a fair value area here on the higher time frame. That's a 1 hour fair value area. So there's like 3 higher time frame PD array confluence that just tell me that we want to continue higher. So now at this moment, look at the 15 minute. What I see on the 15 minute, I mean, we barely go into that bullish fair value gap here. Doesn't really matter. What I look more is um, that there's this 15-minute fair value gap here that we went into it, then use that as rejection. All right. I just want to see it keep going up. Now, on the 1 minute, I mean, that's where the trade, I mean, this is false because I took the trade before this happened. But you can see on the 15-minute, if we remove this trend up and then down, this push up and this push down, the push up was when I took the trade. So let's remove it. I was seeing a 15 minutes fair value gap. So I'm like, okay, I need to have my 142 RR before we get there because I know it's going to reject at least a little bit when we get there. So that's why you can see it. That's on the 1 minute. The 15-minute rejection that you see in the 15-minute fair value gap, it's this. It rejects. But now, me, I took the trade here. So this was on the hat. We didn't tap the 15-minute fair value gap yet. Okay. So here, the gray box, it's the four, it's, wait, here, the gray box, it's the 4 hour fair value gap. So we go into it, we inverse it, or whatever you want to call it. I call it a sharp turn. Sharp turn. We go up, boom. We go back here. Now this is a fair value area for me. And then what we can see here, we inverse another fair value gap. So I just enter, not on the entry of the 1 minute fair value gap, but when we sweep it, look at this candle. I don't, yeah, I need to zoom, but yeah, there's the candle that, the first candle that goes back in the 15-minute fair value gap. I don't enter on it. I enter on the one that sweep it. So on this one, boom, and then 142. And once that and the candle that I got involved in the trade, it closed like pretty much halfway through my TP. So I just put the stop loss below it, and I was almost risk free instantly, like 1 minute after. But the trade lasted 2 minutes. So yeah, let's go. Another trade recap. Red Bull sponsor this shit because I'm gonna be trading in parachute, man. If you do, all right, okay. So now, pretty simple trade. Once again, look at this. Always based on screenshot because that's better. That's better. All right. So now, what do we have? 4 hour fair value gap here. Pretty simple. I'm targeting these two high because we got a 4 hour fair value gap here, and we're pretty much just this. I mean, we to me this is already being disrespected. So when we're this close to higher time frame PD arrays, what I've been back testing is the probability that we not even run it, just sweep or run. So that means that we touch the high is super high. So that's my like my bread and butter. That's my candy trade because I just know. I just know I take a 1 minute entry when it's this close to getting hitting the high, even if it's a sweep or a run, doesn't matter. It still touch it like 95% of the time. So I just wait, boom, couple days. All right, I need to wait couple days, and then I take a 1 minute entry, and I'm chilling. Like it's it's long, but it fucking you want to make money or lose money. So yeah. So 4 hour fair gap targeting these two highs. So let's go. Oh fuck. All right. So now we went into that 4 hour fair gap. We leave a 1 hour bearish fair value gap. We go inside of it, then we try to push down because it's normal. That's what it's supposed to do. But we just sweep the low, and then we completely disrespect the that 1 hour bearish fair value gap. But then the other candle just sweep the high and then goes back down. So now at this point, I was like, okay, we'll see. I'm still super confident that we're gonna hit this because look at this. Look how close it is, and this is a higher time frame PD array. Like, look at this. We're very close. So yeah. So now on the 15 minute, it was looking pretty bad because we just swept this high. So I'm like, okay, maybe we won't go. It's possible. So yeah, I still wait. And now, boom, we just go back into these 15 minutes fair value gap actually, and now we start to crank that shit up. So my trade was before that candle. So let's go in the 1 minute to see it. So look at this. Look at the perfect setup. The higher time frame high was here. We almost take it out. So I'm like, all right. Once again, it's super high probability that we're gonna take it. And now what do I see? A super great entry model. Look at this. We got this previous fair value area. I mean, in the screenshot we can see it, but it's a it's a fair value area. Look at what I got here. I got a nice fair value gap, and I got a fucking fair value area high overlapping the the fair value gap. So I already knew that I wanted to enter exactly on this high. So bings, I got filled, and now I target 142, and that's the magic. I don't even have to target the high. I could have, but I always risk 142. So that's the beauty because I knew that we will that the market was going to this line, so to this high. But I still got my 142 before. All right. I'm now done with the dashboard that I've just made. Look at this. I don't want to leak my IP or whatever because it's running local. All right. So look at this. So what I was doing last night was exactly this. Look at this. Now it's in French, but it's pretty simple to understand. I've entered all the reels, only reels, not trial reels, not YouTube short, not TikTok, only the reels on my main feed. I've entered all the data manually, and then I exported the CSV file. So what we have, we had published date, day of the week, like a little title, resume, so I know what's the reel about, category, the theme, the call to action used, audio, trending audio, if there's any, the length of the reel, format. Is it 9:16 ratio, like a cell phone, or like a YouTube video size, like this one? Is there a hook, skip rate, completion rate, watch time, total watch time, views, and a lot of other metrics. So now I did this. It was fucking long to do this manually. But then after this, with the help of ChatGPT, I vibe coded this program. It's like 200 lines, and it's just now the AI is not integrated yet. I want to integrate the AI, but we still have a lot of data based on this. Look at this. So that's the code. I won't go into it, but it's pretty simple actually. Like here, I just renamed the columns with some variables that are easier to understand. Now, no, this is not important. Yeah, it just analyze all the data, and then here is the app, which gives us this. Now that's the good thing because like 20 minutes ago, it was only in a terminal. So like in the terminal, like when you write stuff in your terminal on your computer, it was all the data was there. So now with this Streamlit app that is local, running on my browser, I have access to all the data, but it's in French, but I'm still gonna show you because it's really interesting. Look at this. So we got the amount of reels total. So on my Instagram main feed, we got 79. Uh, Now we can't see it, but here, I mean, I'm gonna show you. Yeah, there's a parameter. It's I can modify it, but based on my reel, on my stat, it's adjusted to 5,000. 5,000 in the 5,000 is considered to be a viral reel for me. So I can modify it, but it's set to 5,000 mathematically because it's based on the average. Yep. So average views 1.4K, skip rate 57%. So that's pretty bad. You gotta lower it. And percent of average of non-follower view. So 84% no. That's a really good metrics. That when I've when I saw that at first, I was like, damn, that's good. Because that means I don't get a lot of views, but it's reaching an audience that is not followed. So that's super well because that's what I want, you know? So that's what I want. So now I need to fix the skip rate. So I need to make better hooks, but like organic hooks, not like, hey, what's up, guys? Like, hey, this is how I fuck or something like that. Like, this is, I need to fix this. Like, in less than a second, the people understand what's happening. So that's what I need to focus on. And I need to get a completion rate higher. So, like, people need to watch the video completely. So, how do I do this? Pretty simple. Organic hooks plus shorter reels, shorter reels, shorter reels.